grateful for my family and friends and every teacher that has helped me.
Our first letter is T, tenacity. Tenacity means never giving up, even when something's really, really hard.
The Tiger Creed, I just believe it is so perfect. When you start talking about life, you need to have tenacity and integrity and gratitude, high expectations for yourself, and respect. You need to respect others. And so I like it that the Tiger Creed really is not just about high school, it takes you on into life.
This sign says only take 1 or 2. You know what? I would feel bad if other kids didn't get any. I'll just take 1 or 2.
I felt like integrity was probably the hardest thing to keep true, especially during high school. That's a hard thing for a lot of people to do. And so for this class, I feel like it really just helped you get rock solid on it and just really be a good person.
What is one way that you can show integrity?
You don't take stuff and you can just give it to people if you find something that you think that somebody lost.
My high school kids, they really enjoy it. They don't really know what they're getting into when we start, but they end up getting probably as much out of it as the third graders do. Because they get to be the ones that are teaching.
I did this basically my whole high school career, and I think it's one of the best decisions I've ever made. It got me connected to people I don't think I would usually talk to, and it really felt like no matter what else is going on, I have this to come back to.